So this is the 2015 Chevy SS that we just did the Whipple supercharger a couple, like 2 months ago. And apparently the stock stuff doesn't want to hold up. So flywheel bolts backed out and started hogging out the holes a little bit. And so we are upgrading it with this SFI certified TCI automotive flywheel. It's one piece. It doesn't have the welded ring gear on top of sheet metal, so it's all cut out of one piece. Going with the ARP bolts with the ARP lube and Loctite on the bolts. It's got a higher torque yield. The ARP bolts hold up to like 200,000 PSI. We're going back together now, and this should take care of the noise and take care of all the problems that we had with putting too much juice to it, too much sauce. And we should be good to go after this.
Status update.
Very stuck. Stuck like Chuck. Making me want to say F words. Sound.
Today we are replacing the starter on this 03 Road King. Trying to get any on my shoes. Take that little bolt out, and then I can take the starter out. Normally it's a rubber hose, and you can just pull this off and bend it out of the way. But since this is on there, I have to undo it because chrome is super cool. Victorious.
My name's Eric, and I'm working on this sub enclosure for a Harley bike, and we're just wet sanding it and getting it ready to paint. And yeah,
what's the difference between like wet sand, dry sand?
Wet sanding doesn't clog up your sandpaper, and dry sanding, it'll clog it up and it'll leave bigger scratches and everything.
Bam!
I like your mic.
Thanks, man. It's nice and hidden and everything. Kind of, sort of. But hey everyone, I'm Matthew. Started working up here at SouthSideSleds. Working on speaker cover thing too.
Let's say that one more time. SouthSideSleds.
SouthSideSleds. Nothing crazy on that, but all the other bags are getting like a nice little fine black pinstripe on it, just to break up all the white on everything. That's about it. What else? I don't think there's anything else. I think that's it.